What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is going to be unboxing for the Galaxy S26 Ultra and their new magnetic wireless charger, which also comes with the 45-watt power adapter. So let's unbox this. So this is the box that it comes in. You can see Samsung right there, Samsung. I'm gonna block some of these numbers on here, but there's a bunch of numbers at the bottom there. I already took the phone out, which I'll show you in just a moment, but inside the box of the phone, you do get the SIM card ejector tool and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Now, before we go on, you want to protect your Galaxy S26 Ultra, and Subcase can do that for you. First off, we have the UV grip case. This comes in a bunch of different colors, gives you tons of protection. Let's talk about that first. Look at this camera protection. You can definitely drop it on its back and be completely safe. Look at these all the way around here. Amazing protection, but it's not that thick, which is awesome. The buttons work fantastic, so you have no problems with that, raising and lowering the volume. The buttons feel really nice. Open for charging, easy to get your S Pen out, which is definitely important if you're going to use that on here. I love that. But then you also have this. This is MagSafe, which I'll show you in a minute. So you can put phone grips and wireless chargers attached to it, but it also turns out into a stand, so you can stand it up if you want vertically or horizontally very easily, and basically in any direction when you're doing that. So I love that it's really easy to do that. And this is like the black color. Here's the bronze color. Again, everything that you would love about this with that nice kickstand. I love kickstands. It makes using phones a lot more easier and helpful. But look at this, since it's magnetic, stands on there, so you can put a phone grip, which I love these magnetic phone grips that you can use on here. They work awesome. It's easier to hold the phone. And at the same time, like I said, you can wirelessly charge through that as well. And even if your phone grip is on there, you can still stand your phone up, no problem. If you want something with a little bit more protection, you get the UV Pro Mag. It's got MagSafe. It has a kickstand. You can stand it any which way that you want. Has the crazy protection for the camera and all the way around the phone. The buttons work great. And like I said, you can do wireless charging and grips as well on the back there, no problem. It even has a screen protector underneath there as well. These cases are linked down below. Pick them up now and protect your Galaxy S26 phone. Now here's a closer look at the phone. This is the violet, AKA purple. And as you can see, it to me is a color that changes depending upon the lighting source. Right there, to me, it looks kind of bluish. Then you get into the kind of like the violet purple. And then as you continue turning it, it turns into like a gray color. So to me, it has like 3 colors that it has on it. And the color goes all the way around the phone. Here's the back with the new camera housing, which has this circular band that goes all the way around it. That the camera obviously does stick out, which is quite normal these days for phones. On the bottom, that's where you can see some rail changes. So you can see here that on the bottom, that the S Pen is over to the left more, and it's super easy to get out. No problems at all. One thing though, you probably do want to know is that you can see it sticking out just a little bit down there. So it doesn't go in completely flush. Yeah. But whatever. Then you have your speaker and your USB-C charging and your SIM card where you put that. On the left side, you have nothing. At the top, you have microphones and antenna bands. On the right side, you have the buttons. The buttons, to me, feel exactly the same. They're in the same placement and all of that. Here is the phone when it's turned on, which there we go, it's unlocked now. I have just got it, so I haven't fully set it up yet, but I wanted to give you guys an idea what it looks like. This is cool because when you do get this, let me see it. Yeah, I think the privacy display by default is turned off. So we'll go in there and turn that on. You can just turn it on right here by putting down the quick toggles. So we'll pull down the quick toggles of the phone, and there should be in here that says privacy display. It might not be in here because this is like my setup and I haven't completely set this up. So I know it's in settings. There it is, privacy display. So tap that. It's now on. So this is one of the big features. I'm just turning it to the right just a little bit. and you cannot, and I'll turn the brightness up just so you guys feel like you're seeing something special, because it is a little bit bright in my room. But that really does an amazing job, even better than in the demo room when I was trying this out. Like, that's crazy. I'll turn it off just so you get an idea of what the difference is there. So privacy display is off. So you can see, I mean, it blocks it out obviously a little bit, but it's really blocked out when that privacy display on, which is pretty stinking cool on there. Other than that, it's a very similar experience. You do have this new finder, so you can come in here and type and search for things on your phone, which is great. You can also find it right here at the bottom when you look at your app launcher. Same Google setup, all that stuff. Quick toggles look the same. Here's the settings page. And you got Galaxy AI, which you had before. I really gotta go in here and set this thing up like the way I like it. That's one of the things I like to change is the resolution of the phone. Yeah, I'll play with this in a separate video, but yeah, that's what that display looks like. Next, let's take a closer look at the wireless charger here. Here's the 45-watt charger. Now, obviously, this Galaxy S26 Ultra can charge up to 60 watts, but you're gonna use this one to go with this charger, because this charger charges at 25 watts when it's charged wirelessly. So, but regardless, this is the 45-watt brick charger, and then here is their new magnetic 25-watt wireless charger. And now it's not gonna just stick to the back because it needs magnets, so that's where that case that I showed you from Subcase would come into play. So we have our MagSafe compatible charging case. Just throw this on the back as a magnet and your phone begins to charge. So it's really, really great. I love this, and I love that it's faster as well, 25 watts. So it's gonna charge your phone versus the 15 watt a lot faster. Now, there's not a whole lot of things that are completely different about this phone. I've mentioned in a previous video the things that are really, really cool. And there's gonna be a bunch of things that will be over time as well, but the lower aperture on the cameras back here for better low light photography and video, the faster wired charging, 60 watt, and faster wireless charging, 25 watt. You've got the new privacy display, which is easily turn-onable, if you want to say. I love the word turn-onable. Turn that on and you can protect your phone from people being able to see what you're doing, especially on an airplane or anything like that. It's got a bunch of new AI features that I've mentioned in previous videos, from the call app to the photo editing app, and on the phone itself. It's much more powerful now, which with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. And I don't know, yeah, the more I use this, obviously I'll have more things to say about it, and I've done videos on it already about that stuff. But yeah, pick it up. It's linked down below. If you use my link, it supports what I do. And also use the link to grab one of those Subcases to protect your phone. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.